Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Another exciting video building our affordable house in Mindanao, the Philippines. The retaining walls posts are going smoothly. The house electrical is now completed. See the final cost towards the end of this video. The last door was hanged. And more. Please comment, like, subscribe, share and don't forget to click the bell to get notified for any new released video. So please don't go away and enjoy. Morning everybody, another day, another dollar to spend, another video, all good. It's early in the morning, but quite surprisingly the clouds are already here, so I hope we stay dry. Better brought in some more tarpaul just in case. And in case you're interested, there's a lot of activity happening out there across two lands. There's a very small, I would say, hollow block house. Or maybe they will extend after that, but that's what it is at the moment. Yesterday's been running almost all day, so I didn't do much at all. Pity. But yeah, a lot of action taking place here. This looks like a chicken pen. This is the other neighbor. Robert Lenz has been clear, so apparently he will start on the 20th. So next week. Okay, under the house we still continue with electrical. That's probably the best place, nice and cool here. It's all around there. See, you can see the orange flexible hose. There's more there. More there. This is good because we could connect from there for this room. So anyway, that's a future thing. That's, I don't know, next year maybe. We'll see how the finance goes, but looking good. Okay, and here as far as the, how can we call? I think we're going to call it the garage, because that's what's going to be at the end. Let's call it the garage. I'm not going to call the retaining wall or the driveway. It's the garage and driveway, I guess. So we're still digging. And Jason is making those special footing because we got a big rock in that hole, as you probably saw, and he's doing one of those now, so it's pretty good. I'm happy. Good spacing, 4 4 4 then 5 5 whatever. Anyway, I'm happy. Looks like much better than what we did that day under the house. So okay, now I found something that I want to really be, yeah, this is the rock we're talking about, so we try to work around it. You can't remove it, it's huge, and the land is like this, so this is why I can't really get a truck to dig for a well, because you're gonna find those big pieces of rock. Now this one here, as I'm to modify, I want the base to go under the bricks, alright, and then get this in the middle of the base and maybe a couple inch away from the wall. So they're gonna do that. Okay, let's go back to the house now. Okay, back to my door. It's still a bit dark here, but this is not gonna stop me. I'm gonna have to do those hang the door. Once I do that, I'm gonna concentrate on the walls. And next week I'm gonna buy the American. Oh, there's a light there already installed. Excellent, beautiful. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to finish this bedroom fully so we can stay here as soon as possible, just for sleeping, and that's it. So let's try to do this door. So last night, now we got a little bit more light. I paint all this side, put the hinges, and I paint the bottom of the door as well. So I'm gonna try to hang this door now. I can paint it later once it's on position, because I paint those areas, so that's okay. Anyway, let's do that. Yeah, nice to see. Got a few PowerPoints that's been installed, or whatever you call it. We call it PowerPoint, but this one's still not. It will. What else we got? Yeah, that's for the TV and the karaoke. That's probably for the internet modem. This, I don't know, if I decide to put a fridge here for some reason, then it's on the right side of the kitchen. Here too, if you want to connect something. This for the kitchen stuff, rice cooker, kettle, yeah, whatever, needs to be connected. Here, another one here. I think if you want to put a fridge here, somewhere here, yeah. This is for switch for the light outside. Yeah, for this baby there. And there should be one PowerPoint facing the veranda, just in case. Okay, so electric is progressing well. Maybe finish tomorrow, Saturday, maybe. We'll see. And all the switch has been ready by Rodel, of course. He can do everything, anything. Amazing. It's good. Good stuff. Small man, but very strong, Jason.
Buy Coca-Cola.
Yeah, ankle too. Ankle strong. I know. But this one very small, so.
Yeah.
Joking.
Yeah.
That's good. So everything's going really good. Excellent. So we hope the rain can stay away. So Gongo and Anko can finish that hole. Okay, so that's what we discussed this morning when I arrived. I wasn't very happy the way the post gonna be installed. Now we got the footing going under, and I think this is a better way. And then the post will go against the wall, or leave a couple of inches, of course, for the concrete to be put in between, and it will be in the middle of the base, or the middle of the footing. So that's what I wanted to do. This one, you can do nothing. You can do nothing. We got those big rocks. That's a big issue, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, and this one almost ready. Yeah, very good. That's what I wanted. Excellent. Very good. Yeah, that's the way I want it. Let's do like if we had the post already before. Sort of. Okay. I know I'm gonna get thousands of criticism, but I don't care. I'm happy what I see. Just an expert. And in case some of you ask for the corner, we got rebar guy this way and bent, and we got about like 3 or 4 along the corner, so I think that should be fine. That's probably not the weakest point by far. So it's got rebar all around, and I'm happy with that. Ran a bit stay away so far, but I'm not too sure how long it's going to stay away. It's really looking threatening. It's been raining heaps before. I didn't film. You can see in every video anyway. So I lost one member, and Jason's still here. Rock and roll. Good man. I'm so lucky to have him. Okay, my door is hanged at least. I had to do the handle, I guess. The good things I got power here now. It's good. Okay, let's do the handle. I'm halfway through with this door hanging. The hardest part been done. Electrical work almost finished. So Rodell jumped up there to finish the hardy flex around the house, the top level. It's very noisy. PowerPoint here. On this side, I forgot. We marked here last time, but I think I'm gonna change and put it here some way. Yep. Okay, this is looking good. Putting some holes on the hollow blocks for the concrete to stick better. Good stuff. This guy is good. I haven't told him to do that, but he knows what he's doing. That's good. So I'm gonna drill some holes. I think it's 13 mil or something, yeah? Why my shoes collect so much mud? It's terrible. It's been raining all day. Okay, that's it for today. It's been a miserable day, but we have progress. Electrical almost completed. The post looking great. See you in the morning. Good morning. Another day, another dollar to spend. And the weather is terrible. They announced flood. It's windy, raining. Oh, at the same time, look at the neighbor gutters. My God. That house only 8-9 years old. Anyway, let's go and get ready. I hit the road. Excellent. Just arrived. A lot of rain in Dipolog and flooding, but here's good, no rain. Lucky, lucky, lucky. And we're progressing very well with those posts. I think I like the way it's all done. Philippine way. But I would have liked to see some gravel, compacted gravel in the bottom. That's the hardest spot here. Okay, it's good. I think I mentioned that Gongo will be leaving for a month on the 20th. And that's fine because his uncle here will stay with Jason. Our great worker Jason he is. So it's pretty good. I'm happy. Okay, I'm gonna try to finish this door. I hate hanging doors. My God. Got my handle. After a while, you're becoming Filipino standard expert. Okay, this is done. Now I gotta do this bit here. Okay, for the electrical, there's not much now going on. Very little to do. So Rodella's been starting putting those hardy flakes on the top there. The one here, sorry. Or they'll do that all around, of course. Okay, they heard me, it's got gravel there, but they have to lift it by maybe a couple of inches or something. And here we just put the concrete on the footing of the post. So I gotta let it dry now. But with this rain, it may take a week to dry. We're not sure. Yeah, I don't like that void under the hollow block, so this is gonna be filled. It's gonna have to be filled with concrete. That's more like it. Just meeting the lower hollow blocks. Okay, we don't use a vibrator here because this is all put with a small container, as you can see. So to have air trapped, it will be very, very difficult. So yeah, that's doing the job. Alright, let them do that. Okay, try to improve holding this properly against the wall. We've done the top bit. I'm happy with that. I try to do the same here at the bottom.
Umusog pa rin siya, tol?
We got no welder, so don't mention. Unless you want to send one to me, I will take it. Free of charge, thank you.
Tinali mo na, tol?
Yeah, that's much better. Very good.
Lagyan ko na siya ng ng semento na, yung parang topping na siya. Titikasin ko na lang tap.
Okay, all ready for the concrete formwork. Don't worry about me. It's a big baby, considering. So this is ready now. Excellent. Okay, we're getting there. So now it's going to be connecting the house to the main power up there, but not fully. At the moment we connected with the neighbor. The neighbor is supplying us his power and we share the bill. But then once it's done, we register ourselves to Saneco, and then they come, check. I tell you what they check. They just check this, that's all. And then they will send somebody to do the final connection and they send the bill. That orange cable we won't see from outside after once we put the Hardy Flex. Here we probably see it, but I don't care. We will paint. We can paint in brownish or something. We won't see much. And then the job will be practically finished. Just 2 utility boxes I need to bring tomorrow for 2 switches or power points, I can't remember, and that's it. So get in there, tomorrow will be all finished. It's good. I mean the electrical part. I better go and get some drinks for the boys. Okay guys, everything is connected everywhere. We don't need to use extension anymore from the shed. It's all working. But I still don't know why there's not a light here. But you know what? I don't care. It's not important. And plug things. Oh. That's it. We got electricity. So early next week we can go to the main office, Saneco, and get a connection done. We don't need that extension anymore. We got power all over the house. Yoo-hoo! Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video. Take care. God bless all. Bye-bye. Bye.